Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make business studies notes. Taking effective notes is a fundamental skill for academic success, especially in subjects like business studies. We will explore simple yet powerful techniques to transform complex information into clear, concise, and easily digestible notes. This approach will help you grasp difficult concepts, retain information more effectively, and prepare confidently for any assessment. Let's dive into making your study sessions more productive and less overwhelming. When taking notes, remember that quality trumps quantity. Focus on capturing the essence of the material rather than transcribing everything verbatim. A great strategy is to use the 5 R's of note-taking: record, reduce, recite, reflect, and review. This method encourages active processing of information, ensuring you're not just passively writing but truly learning. Aim for clarity and conciseness, making every word count towards your comprehension. There are several practical methods to make your note-taking more efficient. The Cornell method, for instance, involves dividing your page into a main note-taking area, a cue column, and a summary section. This structure aids in active recall and review. Alternatively, mind mapping can be incredibly effective for visualizing relationships between different business topics. Don't forget to use different colored pens or highlighters to categorize information and make key points stand out visually. Effective note-taking isn't just about writing things down. It's also about how you review them. Make it a habit to revisit your notes shortly after creating them, perhaps within 24 hours, to solidify the information in your long-term memory. Actively recall information by covering your main notes and trying to answer questions from your cue column. Regularly consolidating and summarizing your notes will ensure you have a comprehensive and easily accessible study resource for all your business studies topics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.